Just a Note is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory, and I'm going to start with the card kit because that's always the basis. And you are going to get an idea sheet like this. It's going to come inside every single one. And this has, you're going to get 2 of each item that I'm going to show you. And it's a nice size kit, as you would expect. And let me show you. So things are about maybe sending cards, writing notes, really fun. It's got gold foiling, really pretty. And again, you're going to get 2 of each one I'm showing you. They are going to pop right out just as I'm lifting them up. And some really different shapes too. I like seeing that. Very pretty. Altogether, there are 106 foil die cuts. And then you're also going to get 8 sheets of the cardstock that's foiled. 1. In fact, you're going to get 2 of each one. Sorry about having that upside down. And 2, 3, and 4. You're going to get 2 each of those. All the foiling is there. You see those hints down below. And then you're going to get 8 of them that are just printed, or excuse me, 6 of them that are printed. Okay. So again, 2 each of those. So all of this goes into the Just a Note collection. In addition, there is a set of inserts. Now, there are going to be 12 different inserts. Again, these are ghosted back images that are going to coordinate with all those die cuts that you just saw. They are designed to be the inside of the card, but of course you can use them for anything that you like, whether it's the card outside or just to use for something else. It doesn't have to necessarily be with this collection, but it's such a very pretty collection. I'm a book person and absolutely love this. Okay, so all 12 of those. Now, I'm not even done. Also, we have some printed parchment. Now, you're going to get, let me scoot this over, you're going to get 8 sheets. You're going to get 2 of each one. So let me show them to you separately. So we've got letters, we've got clocks, we've got butterflies, we have books all stacked up. We have more pieces of the desk. And by the way, we have a typewriter cutting die that I think would be great with this. And then we have some blooms and blossoms. So you're going to get 2 each of those in the collection. We also have an 8x8 paper pad. Now you're going to get 12 different designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. Let me show you those 12 designs. Here we go. And these sheets are double-sided, so you do get the double duty for all of them. And being the 8x8 size, we think that's really a nice size for cards, as well as accents on your scrapbooking pages. It's going to work very, very nicely. And you can see the backgrounds, the backings are kind of a universal design, so that's going to work. Wouldn't this be really nice on a masculine card? So that's what another thing I really like about this collection is it will go both feminine and masculine. And one more. So that's the 12. Now there's something else that's brand new in this collection, and that is a set of what they call Tastic. Now Tastic, it's a set like this. Look at that, wow. There are 30 sheets, and you're going to get 10 colors. So you're going to get 3 of each one, and these are all going to go with the Just a Note collection. Now, by the way, they're going to go with a lot of other things too. So let me just flip through here to show you these, and they just do a really nice job. See, I think I'm doubling them there. Okay, so this is the 10. You can see blues, greens, roses, tans, black, as well as charcoal and brown. So all of this is in the Tastic collection, the Just a Note. So just to recap, we've got the Tastic, we've got the Just a Note, we have the parchment, we have the inserts, and we have that wonderful card making kit, all of it from Hunkydory.